Welcome back to Regular Achievers Educational Limited, your trusted support for brain-friendly high impact learning. Today we'll learn about square roots. The square root is like the opposite of squaring a number. Let's discover how it works. What is the square root? The square root of a number is a number that, when multiplied by itself, gives the original number. For example, we know that 4 times 4 equals 16. So the square root of 16 is 4. We write square roots like this. We also know that 7 times 7 is 49. So the square root of 49 is 7. Now, understanding the symbol. The symbol is called square root sign. It tells us to find the number that multiplies by itself to make the number inside. Examples of square roots. Square root of 4, because 2 times 2 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3. Now the square root of 16, which is equal 4, because 4 times 4 equals 16. So the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 25 is 5, because 5 times 5 equals 25. The square root of 36 is 6, because 6 times 6 equals 36. The square root of 49 is 7, because 7 times 7 equals 49. The square root of 64 is 8, because 8 times 8 equals 64. The square root of 81 is 9, because 9 times 9 is 81. The square root of 100 equals 10, because 10 times 10 equals 100. The square root of 121 equals 11, because 11 times 11 is 121. The square root of 144 is equal to 12, because 12 times 12 is 144. Here is a step-by-step method to find the square root. Step 1. Look at the number. Step 2. Think of a number that multiplies by itself to give that number. Step 3. That number is the square root. Here is an example. What is the square root of 36? Now, which number multiplied by itself equals 36? Of course, 6 times 6. So the answer is 6. Another example. The square root of 49. 7 times 7 equals 49. The answer is equal 7. Square roots are used in architecture, engineering, science, technology, computer programming. They help us solve complex mathematical problems. Here is a final challenge. What is the square root of 144? Well done. 12 it is. Great job. You did fantastic today. Now you understand square roots and how to find them. Keep exploring mathematical sums and challenging your mind. With regular achievers, learning is always fun, clear, and exciting. Until next time, bye.